If you are anything like me, you love July, not only because it's the summertime, but because it's the Nordstrom anniversary sale. I love the sale. This is one of my favorite sales to shop every single year. I love that with Nordstrom, you can actually put things in your wish list based on what you want to buy when the sale releases. And so you can simply just add to cart, right? It makes it super simple. So I got my order in today. I actually got it right now. We are still in the box, as you can see here. I'm super excited to check it out. I didn't get that many things. I feel like I only got a few items that were really exciting to me. Like usually I'll look at the sale options and kind of see, okay, is there anything that really stands out to me that I really want or I really love? That was what I got this year. Although there's a few things in my wish list that I'm like, maybe we'll see. It depends what the reviews look like after a little while, because there's some really new things that don't have reviews. So I'm like, let me give it a second just to see if other people are really liking these. So let's get this box open and see what's inside. Here is the first item I got, and I actually had these in my wish list from last year, and I guess I never bought them, but now this year I'm like, okay, let's go ahead and get them. So this is the True & Co. triangle convertible strap. This is the wire-free bra, and I don't wear bras that have wires, just right off the bat. I don't like those because I just don't want anything digging into me. So I wear a lot of like just regular kind of bandos or kind of things like this that don't have the wiring, but this one looked really good. I'm a 34C, so I got a medium. So yeah, this one looks like it's gonna be very nice. I'm gonna try these on as well, just to kind of show you what it looks like. Here is the nude bra on, and I love it. It is so comfortable. I feel like I could live in this all day. It doesn't dig into my skin. You're not seeing any rolls pop off the top or the back. Just super comfortable, very soft and seamless. But I also got one in black as well, just to see, again, I like just wearing stuff that's really easy that I can put underneath my clothes. And here is the black one on, and same critiques on this one. It is so nice. I love the way it fits. Again, super soft, but it doesn't like squish your body. It doesn't make rolls. You can see in the back, it fits very, very nicely, very comfy. I love this one. Okay, this one I'm excited about. Okay, so I did go ahead and pick this up as well. So I love MAC products. I am a millennial, so there was a period of time when like MAC was like the god of makeup, right? MAC was like the thing. If you had makeup on your face and people would ask you where it's from and you said MAC, it's like, oh man, MAC is just amazing. So I still love MAC. I saw this lip combo and the price was really good on this one. So the colors on this are Cork. So you can see the Cork right there. And then the lipstick is Creme Cup. So that's the lipstick right there. Okay, so we're gonna try on both of these, and it was interesting because when I bought these, I thought they looked a lot more red and a lot more pink, and this is pulling more brown. So yeah, I don't know ultimately if I'm gonna keep these. I'm still thinking about it, but here I'm lining my lips, and the MAC liners are really good. They're very creamy, like the wooden liners that they have. I've loved these forever. They are still the same formula. It is still very easy to apply, and usually what I do with the lip liners is I will actually fill in my lips as well. I don't just line them. In most cases, I will actually fill them in also, but this is what the lip liner looks like. And again, this is Cork from MAC, so I actually like that. I thought that was okay, although it was a little bit more brown than I was expecting. But then if you look at the lipstick, this is Creme Cup, and when I put this one on with that lip liner, I'm just like, wait a minute, it just looked a little strange to me. I was interested in why these kind of came together, and maybe because my skin is very olive undertoned, so maybe it just didn't work, but I'm just like, wow, that looks very odd. Definitely not something that I would wear. So I went ahead and put more of the Cork liner on my lips, and then I went over it with the Creme Cup a little bit to see if that helped, and I thought that did add a little bit. Like, this is something more that I would wear out, right, instead of just the one that was very stark lighter. But I don't know, it's still pulling a bit brown to me, and I feel like I wanted something that was a little bit more rosy, a little bit more pink. So yeah, didn't love this one. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep it. I think I might take it back, to be honest. And then this off the shoulder top looked so cool. So this is from BP, and it says East Hampton on here, 1991, but I really liked it. It was off the shoulder, so I'm excited to try this one on, but it's a nice blue color, and then you have the light blue East Hampton on here. Here is the sweater on, and I love this one. I was worried if I should have got a medium because I do like it a little bit more oversized, but this is the small. I'm 5'3", about 135 pounds, so I think this actually worked really well. It is so fleecy and so soft on the inside, which I love it. I live in Arizona, so I'm not going to be able to wear this for a little while, but super excited. I love it. You can see here I just have it on without the off the shoulder, just kind of more of a crew neck, but I think it works so well. It is so comfy and so soft. I can't wait for the fall time, but then you can also do the off the shoulder. That's probably how I'll wear it because I love off the shoulder, but yeah, this one is a hit. I love this one. And then I always get jammies. I'm just one of those girls that I love the jammies during the Nordstrom sale. And these ones looked really good. I love the striping. These are the blue and white striped ones. So again, I'll try all this on, and I got this in a size small and this one in a size small as well. So I'm gonna try these on and then I'll run back to let you know what I think. Here are the jammies on, and I love Nordstrom pajamas. These are so soft. They're so comfortable. I'm again about 5'3", 135 pounds, and you can see where they hit me. They're not super short. I was kind of worried about that, but they do hit really nicely on the body. They're just so comfortable. I love the collar, and you have the buttons up top. The waist is really nice as well. Sometimes the old pajamas I have would kind of dig into the waist, but these sit really nicely on top. They don't dig in or anything like that. So I love these. Another hit. Okay, so I'm still deciding if I'm gonna keep this lipstick or not. I don't think so. I think I'm gonna take it back because the brown is just a little too brown for me. I feel like I need something that's a little bit more rosy. I don't know. I don't usually wear colors like this. So yeah, I think the lip combo is going to go back. But overall, I was really happy with this Nordstrom sale. I got the things that I wanted. There's still a few things that I'm looking at. Like I want this, like, it's like a lace. It's a sleep set, but it's like a lace camisole. And then it has the lace shorts as well. So looking at that one, I don't really get outerwear. Like I know Nordstrom sales are just really noted for their outerwear. But for me personally, I live in Arizona. I don't wear stuff like that. It's too hot here. But other than that, I think it was a really good sale. The pajamas were a hit. I love this sweatshirt that I bought, and then I also loved the bras, the convertible bras. I will be wearing those all the time. So yeah, let me know what you picked up. Super excited that the sale is still going. I might pop over and get a few more things, but I'll make another video if I order anything else. So hopefully that was helpful. I have everything linked below for your convenience, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.